Can you hear the birds singing? No, why can't you see me? Well, I exist, well, I'm right here. When do you think we're in the clear? Where do you believe you are? Lord, no, that's not the North Star. You exist, you're right here. What's here and whose words dear? When you stare at the night sky, is all that you perceive black. You see the wind sway the trees. Oh, you don't feel it, you don't feel it on your back. You lost the trail 'cause you drug your tongue, drug it through dry crumbs. All the broken lines held within palms would suggest it won't be long. Can you feel the stars vibrating through you, through I and everything? But you cover up your ears and you deafen my call. Then now you can't hear the birds singing at all. And when you stare at the night sky, is all that you perceive black. You see the wind sway the trees, but you don't feel it, you don't feel it on your back.